now we have the data we need. We can now, finally, before we load our data, we need to do that important step, change the data types. We have some data types already defined here. In fact, just this column has it. We can select one column and do Control A. It selects all the columns for us. And now we can come to transform and detect data type. If we do that, we give powerquery the opportunity to guess the data types of each column for us, and then we can tweak it if needed. So store, it's telling us it's text, country text, week number whole number, that's fine. Employee ID, it's classifying as a whole number, it's fine too. Employee name as text and employee department as text. Everything is great.